Yeah, I'm a builder. I used to be an interior designer and working for the interior design company more than 10 years. And that's why I became a builder. I want to design and build myself. And yeah, that's some kind of my dream to build my own design and make a reality for, yeah. I want to work with the something like the creative. They want like some unique design, because I background is interior designer, so I can focus on the detail and what they wanted. I helping to design and color whatever they choose. I can give you some more advice than normal builder. And I can design the plan also, helping to their dream come true. You want to build a beautiful house in South Brisbane and Logan area, please contact me. I can help you out. We can work together, we can design together, we can building together.